The festive season is looming cheerfully on the horizon, and here are at house and garden. Our thoughts naturally turn into Christmas decorations and all the way to bring a little extra joyful to our homes, particularly after last year's strange hiatus on celebration. Mince pie and mulled wine in hand, we have been looking back over our absolute favorite Christmas decorating ideas for living room, dining room, and beyond. We think the ones we have found are rather special. Our archive, our archive is a full of elegant Christmas footage to greet your guests as they arrive. Opulent table settings and of course the jolliest bubbles and Christmas tree decoration to set off those carefully collected Christmas gifts. Whether you are planning a traditional festive season full of red, green, and gold, or prefer something a little more contemporary, we do love a tree full of kits in ornament. Our gallery of inspiration is sure to have something you can bring to your home. And if this really is not in your style, then we do have a rather lovely gallery of Christmas decorating ideas for minimalists that might just do the trick. White Christmas is a classy on many levels, most obviously for the music and iconic title song from Bing Crosby, but look closer at the scenes set in fictional Columbia environment and you can't help but feel charmed. It's a quiet, ancient mountain lodge vibe of the wooden cladding and gambrel roof, a proper porch, and a station wagon outside that really get us, and the sweat painted sign for pine tree vermont make us want to hop straight on a plane. Inside, details like a checkerboard floor, chunky wooden furniture, and rustic chandeliers hanging from exposed beam in the barn making the seem like a cozy alpine dream. Christmas decoration ideas. A pine garland wraps around the beam in the cozy cabin. The whole space is lit only by the lit up Christmas tree with its twinkling fairy lights and the crackling fire in the long burner. Pomegranates are quick and easy way to give the festive table same color. Former rectory in the West Country forage Christmas decoration and slaved materials enhance the sense of a house that has been made suitable for modern family life while retaining its Victorian character. At Christmas, the family gathers pine cones and branches of old man's beard to decorate this room. At the front of the house, which has wall painted in furrow and walls satin plaster, no need to widen chandeliers. Hang some candelabras up with ribbon and give them LED candle to create mood lighting in is an inset. The top of cupboards, cabinets, bookcases and wardrobes are fair game for draping foliage and garlands over. The hall and printmaker camera shows restored Georgian home leads to the back coffee with the workshop on the left. The hall itself is electric and full of vintage accessories such as the bonfire sign which is an original from the shop which cameraman has turned into a workshop. The bunting hanging across the hall is perfect for vintage style Christmas decoration. Make your own using a craft punch like this one from Woodware. Peretta Costa Fractis, an expert in historical pigments, uses spare holly branches to decorate the mantelpiece of his East London house.